Presenting the Realme 8i. The phone has display of 16.76 centimeters, 6.6 inch. The phone also has full HD Plus display. It has 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP 16MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 64 GB ROM and expandable up to 256 GB. 4 GB RAM and expandable memory up to 256 GB. It is powered by MediaTek Helio G96 processor. It also features front camera. The delivery box contains handset, adapter and USB cable. SIM card tool, screen protect film and TPU case. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.